Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to split your PDF files. So if you're using a big file and you want to split those files in maybe 2 files or whatever you want, we can do this by split PDF. I'm using the website ilovepdf.com, so please go to there because this is the website that you need to fix everything around PDFs. So from here we go to split PDF, select PDF file, and then we select the big file with 13 pages. So as you can see right here, and we do open, and right now we have some options. Now we can do it by range, we can do it by pages. If you want to split them, then you can select the page that you want to split, and we can do this by size. Now let's say we want to do this by range. I want to split from page 7 to 13. So I want to split it in 2 files, if you can see just right here. Then we click now on split PDF, download PDF, and if you click here on PDF, you can see that I split from the 7 to the 13 files from here. So I needed just those 7 pages from my PDF, and we split it just right here. So if I showed you have a lot of options to split, so please take a look to that, but this is the best way how you can split your PDFs. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.